What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. This is the Atom 1.0 mini drone, well, micro drone from a company called Propel. This is the blue one. It does come in many other colours. Let's get this unboxed and let's see if it's any good. So once you peel the sticker from the top and you open it up, as you can see, you got Propel labelling on the top. Special effects is a 360 stunt rolls. It has a 6-axis gyro, 360 stunt rolls, 3 speed settings, controller inside. You can push the button for 360 aerial stunts. Got 3 speed settings for beginner to advanced. For ages 10 plus, skill level beginner to intermediate. So let's get it out the box. So first up we got the drone. As you can see, I went for the bluey purpley colour, and it's attached via these little spindles on the bottom here. So we just unscrew these. There's the drone. As you can see, little tiny mini drone. Atom labelling right in the centre. 2 propellers at the top, 2 propellers at the bottom, or however way you want to put it. But 2 of the same colours there, 2 of the same colours there. Your computer chip and stuff like that is there. Your on-off switch, and I'm guessing where you charge. Okay, so now that that's out, put that to one side. Let's see what else you get in here, if I can get it out. Okay, so there's your controller. Okay, so there's that. Let's see what else you get in the box. Your little USB charger with that end on that we just seen just before. Some more propellers in case you obviously break the other ones, which is inevitable, that's going to happen. I have no doubts. That's all you get in the box. So you get a 90-day warranty and your instruction manual, which, as we know, they can go back in the box. And then you get this little wheel. This opens out, and you can join the flight club, and if you're having any problems, call the number. Right, okay, so now the big question is this any good? Now, I paid, this was supposed to be $25. I paid $10 I think it was, because it was on sale over the Christmas time. So without further ado, let's see if it fires up, and let's get it airborne. If it fires up, so let's turn this off. Let me put some batteries in the controller and we'll get it airborne. So we've got some batteries in the controller. This has got some juice in it. Let's see if we can take it off and see how good it is. Let's see if it sucks or not. What I will say, guys, is don't obviously be thinking, oh, it's like a DJI drone and stuff like that. It hasn't got a camera on it. It is, at the end of the day, just a cheap, small, fun little toy that hopefully you can have some fun with. This is my first drone anyway, but obviously I am looking at getting the new DJI. Let's see how good this little drone really is. Right, okay, so as you can see, I'm not that great when it comes to flying this little guy. As you know, there's not an awful lot of control. When you look at the controller, there's like, you know, there's your up and your down, and you can also go side to side with this. This is your left and right, and then you've got all kinds of different buttons. So, yeah, it's not easy, but this little guy is a lot of fun. A lot of fun, believe me. For $10, this is, once you learn how to fly it, and you get extra, you know, propellers and stuff like that, so you haven't got to worry too much about breaking it. This is how I got all them shots, by the way. It's with the GoPro with the head mount on it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. This is definitely worth $10 or even $20 of your money, however much it costs. As I say, I'll leave some links down below for you to check this little guy out. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. It's definitely worth it. I don't think I'd take it outdoors because I'd be a bit concerned about it hitting someone or hitting the car maybe, but indoors, you know, it's the ceiling. I don't think I've done any damage, but may have chipped the paint here and there, but not to worry, we can always paint over it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, I truly appreciate it. Drop a like on this video for me, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and as I say, links to this little guy down below in the description, so go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys, see you in the next one, take it easy.